Welcome. In front of me is an LG Q60 and today I will show you how to put the device into safe mode. So to get started, hold the power key and you should see a couple of boot options. So instead of tapping on power off, you want to hold it and it will give you the safe mode message. So just tap on turn on and the device will reboot, and once it's back on, the device then will be in safe mode. And there we go, you can see the safe mode on the bottom of the screen right here. So, well, the device is now in the mode. So that is how you would enter it. And if you want to leave this mode, all you really need to do is hold the power key once more. And this time, just tap on reboot or restart right here. And when the device powers back on, it will be back in the normal mode. And as you can see, now we're back in the normal mode. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.